Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and clicking the bell icon. You will get notified whenever we publish a new video.
How to make the best bubble tea? Bubble tea is an iced drink that originated in Taiwan. It is made with a tea, milk, sugar and chewy tapioca balls. To drink bubble tea, you need a fat straw that is big enough to suck up the tapioca balls while drinking the tea. It is made with a warm tapioca balls, the secret to the best bubble tea. Taste delicious just like the ones made in bubble tea shops. Made with a real tea, not pre-made powders. It is decadent with a creamy topping. I have two secrets for how to make the best bubble tea. Warm tapioca balls. They are light and soft with a nice little chow in the center. Try it and you will be amazed at how good it is. Real tea, I don't use powders that are loaded with a chemical and sugar. There are three components to this bubble tea. Black tea brewed nice and strong. Boba in a dark brown simple syrup to sweeten the tea and tapioca balls. Cream fruit which takes my bubble tea to another level. Bring 3 and 4 cups of water to a boil on the stove top, or do what I do and use an electric kettle with a temperature setting. Setting the water to 208 Fahrenheit. The best tasting tea is made with a best tasting water, so use filtered water if possible. Brew a strong pot of black tea using 2 tablespoons of black tea in 2.5 cups of water. We are saving the leftover quarter cup hot water for the brown sugar simple syrup. Instead of 2 tablespoons of loose black tea, you can use 3 tea sachets or 6 tea bags. Cover teapot and steep for 5 minutes. Strain tea leaves and let tea cool. Stir together hot water and dark brown sugar until sugar dissolves. Take the 1/4 cup hot water you have left over and stir in 1/4 cup dark brown sugar. Boil 4 cups of water on the stove top, then add the tapioca balls. The tapioca balls will start to float to the surface in a couple of minutes. Cover the pot and cook on medium heat for 15 minutes. Stir every once in a while so that the boba don't stick together. Drain the water out and you should be left with plump boba. Take the dark brown simple syrup we made earlier and pour it into the pot with the boba. Start to combine. The dark brown simple syrup will sweeten both the bubble tea and the tapioca balls. Lightly whip heavy cream and sugar. Divide each component into 2 cups. Spoon in boba in brown sugar simple syrup, add ice, then black tea and top with cream fruit. Pour in the cooled down black tea. Leave a little room for the cream fruit. If you like the video, give it thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more tips.